We are pleased to inaugurate today Goa's first Best Sound Center initiative from Sivantos. Sivantos is one of the largest manufacturer of hearing aids. 1 out of 4 hearing aids are sold by Sivantos all over the world, and which was earlier known as the Siemens audiology instrument. Best Sound is our initiative is to reach out and bring these professional hearing care services across the country in different parts. And we started this initiative 4 years ago. Now we have almost 145 Best Sound centers up and running. Goa, we were contemplating to have this because we realized that Goa needs some more professional hearing care centers where the patient delight can be achieved. And in this, we have tied up with Easy Ear and started the first Best Sound Center here in Goa.
We are pleased, very happy to have partnered with Sivantos and starting the first Best Sound Center in Goa. With this initiative, I think we can definitely serve the hearing impaired of Goa in a big way.
Yeah, I would like to thank Mr. Avinash Pawar to inaugurate our first Best Sound Center. In fact, this is our second Best Sound Center. We have one in Bombay. We are basically based in Bombay, and this is our second Best Sound Center in Goa. We have another center in Madgaon as well.
We found that Goa has a big vacuum in terms of the right hearing care solutions for their clients, and there were many people who were coming from Bombay and are trying to offer, but the infrastructure was not sufficient to bring the utmost satisfaction to the end user. So we knew that there is a necessity of not only one Best Sound Center but a couple of more into Goa in order to serve the clients who have a hearing loss. And that's how we decided to have this Easy Ear as our partner, and this is our first Best Sound Center. Very soon we plan to have a couple of more Best Sound Centers in Goa. And I think this initiative will bring in a true, authentic, most reliable and uniform services to Goa clients all over the state.
What made you to come to Goa to give this facility?
We realized that there are a lot of incidences of the patients having the hearing loss in Goa, and we also have seen that they do not get the right solution, which normally the clients in other metro cities are getting it because of lack of infrastructure, because of lack of less of attention to Goa. And we see that the Goa clients do deserve the best of the hearing care solutions available all over the world.
So what will be the procedure to get the things?
Well, if anyone has got normally the hearing problem, if he has a problem in understanding into a group, if he needs a higher volume watching the television or to the news or listening to the music, and if somebody is avoiding the meetings or the interaction, and then this is the person who can approach to us, because we have got a well infrastructure to see that if the client really needs the hearing aid. We check the hearing loss, there is an audiometry has been done, and on the basis of that the hearing aid has been recommended. Unless we are sure that the need of the patient is satisfied with the hearing aids, we don't recommend the hearing aids to the patient.
Easy Ear is an organization run by very experienced professionals. The professionals who are working with Sivantos, formerly known as Siemens India, since '97. So they have been trained and imbibed in the culture and policies of Sivantos or Siemens hearing instruments, which are to reach out to a large number of hearing impaired. Easy Ear again is already based at Madgaon, has a few clinics in Mumbai, and now has come to Porvorim to serve the people of Goa, especially the North Goa, from this thing. What we offer to the people is an experienced team along with an infrastructure which is again guided by Sivantos. They have certain policies which we have to follow in terms of the patient care and treatment. We do their testing. What you see, we also do their testing, and then give them hearing aids if required, and entire servicing, and the setup is done out here itself. So that is the way we are going to take care of the entire hearing impaired population in a big way. The Goan population can now be rest assured that the best company in the world for hearing aids, Sivantos, which is formerly known as Siemens Hearing Instruments, being in the field for 140 years, has now teamed up with the most experienced set of people in India for hearing care, Easy Ear. So the best experience and the best products comes to Goan for a long time to go.